Only three, I think so. Straight, bi, and homo.
Homosexual, bisexual.
Hetero, homo, and bi.
You're straight. You're either straight, you're homosexual, or you're bisexual.
Bisexual, homosexual, heterosexual.
What is chaka? Chaka is bi? Chaka is homo. What is chaka?
Gay, which is between guys, then lesbians, heterosexual, bisexual, bi-curious,
I'm just interested in girls.
and some weird people call asexual.
No.
No. Are you curious to know what sexuality you are?
I didn't know that, but I guess it's pretty evident from the name what it would be. It would be like gender is trying to be curious about knowing what other people do. I mean, I don't know.
Bi curious, I think so. It must be related to curiosity, instincts of any species, male or woman.
Pan, no. Do you fry it?
Attracted to any sex. So isn't that bi?
Pansexual. No.
Panning across gender, across age, just a weird sexual person.
No.
And what would that be?
Asexual, I heard the name but I don't know what does it mean.
Asexual, like doing an anal or something.
That happens?
Yeah, I've heard about it, but I don't know what it is.
Yeah, asexual I know, who have no sexual feelings at all.
No.
No. Demisexual, attracted to gods and goddesses? No.
Like mixed.
Transgendered, basically, no.
Oh, that is chaka.
Transsexualism, no clue.
So like they have a dick and a pussy?
Andro, no.
No.
What?
Okay, what is it?
Not really. What is it?
Androsexual, I think so. People who love Android phones or something. I'm just
Androsexual. It comes from the college Andrews, right?
Ew.
Androsexual. Something to do with androids, I guess. No. Robots.
Oh, okay. So bodybuilders.
No.
Homo flexible. It will do anything which is male. So it could be animals, dogs, whatever.
So how is that possible? I mean,
Are they on roads?
no.
Rickshawalas.
So you're attracted to everyone automatically, something like that.
Auto drivers or what?
autosexual must be related to androids or something, like robots, like the sex toys or something.
I have a friend who's autosexual, Hoppy. He gets turned on by cars. So is that autosexual?
That is me. Like I am attracted to myself. Auto. What's the word?